The pilot is very high car, so you just need to place these two bricks underneath the tires, and it is lifted enough so you can do your oil change. When you come down at the bottom of the car, this one bolt here, you need to open this and take all the oil down, and there is a filter. Be careful, don't drop your filter in the bucket. I did that. And now make sure this filter is having this rubber seal, and then with your hands just lubricate this new filter. Just put the new filter on. Just tighten it by hand. No use of tool is required. Just by hand. That's it. You need this funnel, and you need to move this up. Air intake from here to here. Then we will pour the oil in it. To reset the oil life, just press and hold this button. After 4-5 seconds, you have to release this button and again press and hold it. Your oil life will be reset at 100%.